Hello students, I welcome you all. I hope you all fine, be safe in your home. In our last class, we have started a new lesson, the land of snow. We have seen about Greenland. It is the world's largest island. Okay, and it is near the North Pole. They call their country Kalilat Nunat, okay, which means a land of the people. And we have seen about the location. It is located towards the northeast of North America. 2:3 ratio, that is 2/3 of the island is located north of a Arctic Circle, and Greenland is a part of Denmark. Okay, then we saw about land. Greenland covers an area of about 21.5 lakh square kilometers. Okay, huge piece of ice often break away from the ice sheets and slide down into the sea. These are called icebergs. Okay, the snow is covered as a huge mountains, right? So that a certain part of ice sheets slide down into sea. It is called icebergs. These blocks of ice looks like huge frozen mountains floating in the sea. Due to this thick fog, it is very dangerous for ships. Okay, because we cannot see in between fog, right? It has thick fog, so we cannot see in between a fog. So it has lot of chance to get accident and ship by the frozen mountains. Okay, what is the frozen mountains called? Iceberg. Yes, the snow is covered as a huge mountain, so that a certain part of ice sheets slide down into a sea. It is called the icebergs. And then we saw about climate. Greenland as an Arctic type of climate. Okay, the winter are long and cold, and then the summer and short and cool. Okay, the winter are long and cold. Okay, the summer is short and cool. The temperature drops below the freezing point. Okay, so that it only snows heavily. Okay, because of the temperature drops below the freezing point, so that it snows heavily. And then we saw about vegetations also. The only plants that grows here are mosses, lichens, grasses and bushes. Okay, some flowers are bloom in spring season also. There are no forests here. This is the main important point. There are no forests here. No crops are grown here due to the cold climate. And then we saw about a wildlife. Okay, the animals with furry coats can withstand the extreme cold. For example, polar bear. Right, it has thick furry. Okay, so that it can withstand its extreme cold. The animals with thick furry coats can withstand extreme cold, and they can survive in the Greenland. In today's class, we are going to see about the life of a people. Inuits, or the people who live in Greenland. First, they moved Greenland from North America. Okay, they are the people who live in Greenland. First, they moved Greenland from the North America and settled here many years ago. These peoples are short and stout. Okay, they have flat faces. Okay, in the picture itself, we can see that they have the flat faces, narrow eyes and copper yellow skin. Due to the heavy cold, they have copper yellow skin. They wear clothes made from the skin of seals. Okay, they wear clothes made from the skin of seals. The people who live in the extreme north build snow houses or igloos. During winter season, the igloos are dome shaped. The hole is made in the center of a dome to allow smoke and hot air to pass through that. The Inuits are hard-working, cheerful, and hospitable people. Okay, then we going to see about occupations. Inuits are skilled fishermen and hunters. They lived by hunting, fishing, and gathering roots during summer and spring. They used harpoons to hunt animals. These are the harpoons. By using these, they will hunt the animals. And now they are use automatic rifles. Okay, Inuits use small boats called kayaks. Okay, on land Inuits use sledges. On land Inuits use sledges. Now they are using motorboats and motorized sledges. Okay. In early days they use for land they use sledges. Okay, now they are using motorboats and motorized sledges. And then cities. Large number of Inuits have migrated to towns and cities. Okay. Nuuk is the capital of and the largest city. They are very large towns in Greenland. Okay, these are all about these Greenland. Okay, then we recall it from the first. Okay, first we see about Greenland. Right, Greenland is the world's largest island. Okay, and it is situated near the North Pole. They call their country called Kahalit Nunat. Okay, which means a land of a people. And then we have seen about the location, land, climate, vegetation, and wildlife. Where it is located? Yes, Greenland located towards the northeast of North America. Okay, Greenland located towards the northeast of North America. And then the island is located north of a Arctic Circle. Okay, which is called as a part of Denmark. Yes, Greenland is the part of Denmark. And then land. Greenland covers an area of about 21.5 lakh square kilometers. Okay, which is covers an area of about 21.5 lakh square kilometers. And then which is known as icebergs. What is called icebergs? Yes, the snow is covered as huge mountains. Okay, so that a certain part of ice sheets slide down into sea, and it is called icebergs. Okay, what is called icebergs? Yes, huge piece of ice often break away from the ice sheets and slide down into the sea. This is called icebergs. And these blocks of ice looks like huge frozen mountains floating in the sea. Okay, have you seen an iceberg? Okay, after finishing this session, you have to go and search for icebergs and let me know about that. Okay, the icebergs or these blocks of ice looks like huge frozen mountains floating in that sea. Okay, due to thick fog, it is very difficult to, very dangerous for ships. Okay, why it is very dangerous? Yes, because of we cannot see in between fog, right? So it has lot of chance to get accident in ship by the frozen mountains. Okay, then we see about climate, right? Greenland has an Arctic type of climate, and there is winter or long and cold. Okay, the summer is short and cold, and the temperature drops below the freezing point, so it snows heavily. Okay, this is the reason why it snows heavily. The temperature drops below the freezing point. And then the vegetation. We all know that there are no forests, right? And then no crops because of due to the cold climate. The only plants that grow here are mosses, lichens, grasses and bushes. Okay, some flowers are bloom in spring season. And in the wildlife, the animals with thick furry coats can withstand extreme cold. For example, we can take a polar bear. Right, it can withstand that region, right, a cold region because of it has a furry, thick furry, right. They can survive in Greenland. And then life of a people, Inuits or the people who live in Greenland. Okay, where are they first? First they were in North America. Okay, then they moved to Greenland and settled here many years ago. So then these are the people who live in Greenland, and those people are short and stout. Okay, they have flat faces, narrow eyes and copper yellow skin. Due to the heavy cold, they have copper yellow skin. They wear clothes made from the skin of seals. Okay, we have a book back question also. They wear clothes made from skin of seals. Okay, the people who live in extreme north built in slow houses or igloos. Right, this is called a igloo. Okay, the igloos are dome shape. A hole is made in the center of the dome to allow smoke and hot air to pass through that. And the Inuits are hard-working and cheerful, hospitable people also. And their occupation. Inuits are skilled fishermen and hunters. Okay, first they used harpoons to hunt animals. Okay, then they use automatic rifles. And Inuits were using a small boats. What is called that? Is kayakas. Yes, Inuits were using small boats called kayakas. On land, Inuits use sledges. Right. In the sea, they use small boats called kayakas. Okay, to go from one place to another place on land, it is called sledges. Okay, they use sledges. Now they are using motorboats and motorized sledges. And then cities, right? Large number of Inuits have migrated to towns and cities. And then Nuuk is the capital and the largest city. There are very large towns in Greenland. And then we have a recapitulation questions. The first question, Greenland is also called, yes, Kalalit Nunat. Okay, Greenland is located towards the northeast of North America. The Inuits wear clothes made from, yes, the skin of seals. Then to go from one place to another on land, the Inuits use sledges. And then due to the mainland being covered with ice, settlements are mainly found in the coastal areas. Okay, write these recaptured questions in your rough note and submit it in GCR. Okay, thank you students.